Hi, this is Srinivasa Tirunagari. In the last class, we discussed about data definition language commands. In this class, we are going to discuss about indexes. Topics covered: indexes, how are indexes created, creating an index, creating index with create table statement, removing an index. Indexes. Actually, an index is a schema object. Schema in the sense it is a user object, it is a user thing. An index is, in other words, a user object. It is created by the user. It can be used to speed up the retrieval of records or rows. It is dependent on the table that indexes. How are indexes are created? Indexes are created automatically. A unique index is created automatically when you define primary key or unique key constraint on the columns. If you want to create an index manually, you can create unique or non-unique index on columns to speed up access to the rows. Creating an index syntax. You can create an index on one or more columns. So the command goes like this. Create is the reserved word. Unique is optional. You can make it non-unique or unique. If you don't use unique reserved word, it would be non-unique. Index is the reserved word. And you give the index name. On table name. On which column you want to index. You can have the column list. So this is the syntax of create an index statement. Creating an index example. Index improves the speed of the query access to the last name column in emp table. We have a column called last name in the emp table. So by creating index on the last name column, the query will speed up. You can create an index like this. Create index emp underscore last name underscore idx. This is the name of the index we mentioned. So on emp table, the column name is last name. Normally, when you give the index name, you mention the table name underscore the column name and you give the idx. Idx stands for index. I will execute this statement and create an index on emp table on the column last name. Click on this green button. It says index emp last name idx is created. So the index is created on the column last name in employee table, emp table. Remove an index syntax. Remove an index from the data dictionary by using drop index command. The command goes like this. Drop is the reserved word. Index is the object which you want to drop and index name is the name of the index. So it will drop the index from the basically when you create an index, you give the name of the index. You drop simply by giving the name of the index. Remove an index example. So it is required to remove emp last name idx index from the data dictionary. So the command goes like this. Drop index emp last name idx. I will execute this statement, drop index statement. Basically this will drop the index which I just created it. So you will get the message like index emp last name idx is dropped. So this is all about creating index and dropping index. Thank you.